The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Hi, I'm Lynn and I live in Indiana. I'm a senior manager of people analytics and senior data scientist. I've spent the majority of my career in data analytics and research, first in healthcare, then in higher education, and now I work in HR as a people scientist. I love using data science to inform business leaders on ways that they can improve efficiency with the business and improve the experience of the employees. I feel like I get to bring the employee voice to the forefront. I have a bachelor's degree from Indiana State University in psychology, go trees, and a master's degree from Purdue University in industrial organizational psychology. I received a lot of training in statistics and research methods while I was in graduate school and undergrad. And then in my career, I went back and got more training on SQL, data wrangling, data cleaning, database development. But I started to notice a few years ago that employers were no longer really using SPS or SAS so much, and they were switching to Python. And so I decided that I needed to get some training in Python. And I tried a couple methods, and none of them were all that successful. The first was a course that I took, but it was really just the programming aspects of Python. And what I love about anything that I do is the research and the statistics part. And we didn't even get to that. So the second thing that I tried was one of those self-paced certificate programs where at your own pace you watch videos, you take exams, you do projects. And that was okay, but it took a long time to get to the statistics part, and there was really no one to ask questions of or provide feedback. And I found myself, and I know this is not what I should have done, but if I didn't understand, I didn't know what to do, so I just sort of skipped it and went on. And I didn't like that. So I decided that that program was not right for me. So I made a New Year's resolution this year that I was going to learn Python once and for all, because I wanted to be seen as a real data scientist. I actually was told one time, if you don't know Python, you can't be a data scientist. So I made the New Year's resolution, and I was searching the internet, and the Simplilearn Purdue program came up. And I don't even know what I typed in, but I started looking at the curriculum, and I saw that the program covered the whole aspect of data science, not just the part in Python where you do the modeling. It covered from beginning to end. So the math and the statistics behind the modeling, data cleaning in SQL, general programming in Python, modeling and statistics in Python, machine learning, and Tableau even for data visualization. I was really excited that it was that comprehensive and that it would show me basically from beginning to end. It helped me really understand and put all the pieces together. And it's been really great because we have live instructors. So the courses meet on Saturdays and Sundays for 4 hours, and we have live instruction. And during the instruction, we are able to ask questions. And if we don't understand something, the instructor will stop and explain it to us. And the instructors are all real life data scientists. And having been taught by professors who weren't in the field, I can tell you that the learning experience is much more enhanced when you have someone who is in the field and knows that your data are never perfectly clean, and you're going to have to do a lot to the data before you even start the fun data science part. So really talking us through that and helping us see how to do it. So I'm just really excited. I am getting close to completion of the program, and I will have the credential that says data scientist, and no one can take that away from me. I will be an official data scientist. When I'm not attending classes on the weekends, and also after this program is finished, I will return to doing the things that I love, which is gardening. I like to grow a lot of my own food and can it, and in Indiana the winters are cold, so can't really grow much in the winter, so we eat my food in the winter time. I love spending time with my 2 kids and my husband, and we like to go camping and hiking, and I also love to sew vintage clothes. And I just was not able to find what I wanted online, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna sew it. But I'm just so excited that I chose this program and glad that I did. It's really enhanced my knowledge and my confidence, and I can't wait to have that credential, that official completed credential on my resume to confirm that yes, I am an official data scientist.